Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from your video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already opened my InShot application. And then first I'm going to duplicate this video. I'm going to select this video and then I'm going to select duplicate. And then I'm going to make it as an overlay. We can click on switch right here and you're going to make it align. All right, and then we're going to use the mask feature to cover this text. Okay, I'm gonna remove this text from my video, so click on the second layer and then you're going to select mask, choose the shape of the mask. I'm gonna go with the circle mask and then we can adjust the size, and you're going to take another part of the video to cover the unwanted text. I'm going to take this part and click on this check mark, and then you're going to cover the text, but it's super tricky guys, and you cannot apply this trick to all types of video, especially when the text is moving. But actually, if the object is moving, you can try to use keyframe, but again, it's super tricky. Okay, and then to make it more natural, I'm going to adjust the feather. Click on this icon. Okay. All right, done. As you can see that the text has been removed from my video. And to make it even more natural, actually, you can adjust the lightness. Hold on. Okay, just go to the filter and go to adjust. And I'm going to adjust the lightness. Okay. Okay, I think it's super good. It's perfect. The text has been totally removed from my video. Okay, and you can try this trick if you have same video guys. If the watermark is moving, maybe you need to add some tricks, and when there's no part that can cover your text, maybe you can also use or add more trick. And okay guys, that's how you can remove text from your video using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.